Right, so there you go. What'd you say, Josh?
And that would be if we created that accord, that would give you the other midpoint of another arc.
Right. So if you create chords and do kind of what you're saying, Ethan, if you create chords, if you create two chords, then basically, I mean, visualize for a minute, that's part of a triangle right here, right? But you don't really need that third chord. But if you create two chords and find the perpendicular bisector of each chord, you would then have the intersection of the circle, because those two chords could act like sides of a triangle. You know what I'm saying? So if I did that, understanding that I'm going to just, the compass may not cooperate, but I want to go through that process for you, because that's a good skill for a test. So if I go more than halfway and create the perpendicular bisector, and if I go more than halfway at both chords at the same time, there's less marks on my paper. But then you kind of have to step back and visualize. But then I can take, this is where the compass, the line tool is not always very cooperative for me, but we'll see. So then I'm going to draw in my perpendicular bisectors. It's about there. And then I'm going to take my compass and I'm going to, I knew I didn't have it there. I'm going to put my compass there and then open it to the arc and see if I could trace over the circle. And then I should be, I don't think it's going to allow me to get any closer. And I should be able to test my work. Maybe that needs to be a different color. You see that? Yeah. I have to go all the way to get it. Oh, I know what I did. There we go. So pretty good. That's what you should be able to do without guess and check. Got it? Okay, so we